Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Preeti and today we are going to talk about birthdays. Birthdays are the days that remind us of the day we came into this world, and most of us love to feel special on this day every year. Type yes in the comments if you agree with me. I'm sure you agree. And also let me know in the comments about one special or precious gift that you've got so far on any of your birthdays. I'm so excited to read your comments. And before we begin today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Someone has asked me if the subscription to the channel is free or paid. Well, so I just want to tell you all that it's absolutely free. There are no charges at all to subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to the channel now and press the bell icon button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. In IELTS Speaking Part 1, most of the topics covered are personal. They are somehow related to you. And we have already covered 4 topics prior to this video. Those topics were home decoration, hometown, hobbies, and waking up early. So you can go to my channel and watch those videos as well. And while we talk about birthdays today, I'm going to give you sample answers for a few questions that are commonly asked in IELTS Speaking Part 1. And also at the end, I'm going to give you key vocabulary words with their meanings. So stay with me right till the end. Now let's have a look at the first question. The first question is, do you enjoy your birthdays? And here is my first answer. Well, yes, birthdays are definitely those days when we receive a lot of wishes, blessings, and gifts from all our family members and friends. And all this makes us feel really special. I used to enjoy birthdays as a child, but as I'm getting older, birthdays aren't as exciting as they used to be earlier. The second answer to this question can be, I definitely enjoy as I love to throw a party on each birthday. I have lots of fun with my friends and family. It's just so much fun and I feel on top of the world at least for one day in the year. I just can't get enough of this day. The second question is, what did you do on your last birthday? Now, before I give you the sample answer to this question, I just want to bring to your notice that grammar is one of the important marking criteria in your IELTS speaking test. Now, answering questions like this, you will have to be aware of what tenses you will be using. When talking about your last birthday, it has to be in the past tense because we are talking about a past event, something that happened in the past. So there is a playlist on my channel with English grammar tenses. I just want you to go there, watch those videos and brush up your grammar skills so that you don't make any mistakes in your IELTS speaking test. Now let's have a look at the answer to this question. So the first answer to this question is, honestly, my last birthday was not much of a fun as we all have been battling with coronavirus for more than a year now. So I could not throw a party, but there was a small get-together only with a few close family members. My husband surprised me with a delicious cake and we all had dinner together. It was a low-key celebration, but I could feel the warmth of my loved ones and that really made my day. The second answer to this question can be, my last birthday was a fun-filled day. It was special because I turned 21 on my last birthday. All my family members showered their love and blessings and I received a plethora of gifts. But the most amazing part was when my friends showed up and threw a surprise party for me. We had lots of scrumptious food, we danced and played a lot of thrilling games. And last but not the least, the cake looked so beautiful and it was super delicious. Before moving on to the third question, I once again want to remind you that please do not memorize these answers. Just use a few sentences and words as ideas from these model answers and prepare your own answers. Memorizing these answers might not help as the questions could be something related. You might not get the exact question as I am telling in these videos, but something related might come up and you have to play with the words to prepare your own answers. So just memorize a few sentences and especially the vocabulary words that would be really helpful in preparing the answers. The third question is, do most people celebrate their birthdays with a party in your country? Let's have a look at the answers now. The first answer is, I guess everyone loves to celebrate their birthdays, no matter whether they are rich or poor. Some people are extravagant and they throw huge fun filled parties and celebrate their birthdays with all their friends and family members. On the other hand, some people have to take care of their budget and accordingly they choose a low key celebration. They cook food at home rather than going out to restaurants as that could be expensive. In my opinion, birthdays are meant to bring your loved ones together, no matter the party is big or small. The second answer to this question can be I guess the way people celebrate their birthdays has changed a lot over the past few years. Earlier, people used to visit religious places on their birthdays and used to seek blessings from their elders and celebrate their birthday with close loved ones. However, with social media, everything's online and now it's become a trend to post everything online. So, most people, especially the younger generation, loves to throw parties and go out with friends to click a lot of pictures so that they can also show the world about how they celebrated their birthday. I feel it's more to show to the world than to actually celebrate it. So, yes, most people now throw parties on their birthdays. Question number 4 is what birthdays are considered important in your country? Let's have a look at the answer to this question. I think all birthdays are special and they are milestones in any individual's life. In my country, all phases of life are considered significant. However, most people love to celebrate their offspring's first birthday as it is considered most special. Once the children grow up, they adore their birthdays even more, and many of them love to celebrate their 13th birthday as they enter the teenage. And most people enjoy celebrating their 18th birthday as it's a turning point which opens a new chapter of life into adulthood. Also, I have seen people celebrating their partner's birthday after they get hitched. You're doing a great job so far. Just stay with me a little longer. We are just going to have a look at the last question and then at the vocabulary words with their meanings. So the question number 5 is, what changes have you observed in the ways of celebrating birthdays in your city? And the answer to this question is, these days, birthdays are a big thing and people go all out in making their birthdays memorable. As I mentioned earlier people used to prepare traditional dishes on their birthdays and used to celebrate birthdays at home with some close friends and family members. They used to visit religious places to seek blessings from God. Whereas nowadays, people prefer visiting restaurants or bars on their birthdays. Many youngsters love to go out of town to have fun with their friends on their birthdays. So yes, celebration of birthdays has changed a lot. So I'm sure that all these sample answers will give you lots of ideas to prepare your answers. Now we will quickly have a look at the vocabulary words, and before that, please leave your comments because I'm so excited to read your comments about your birthday gift. And also, if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, do leave it in the comments. I will definitely make a video on that topic. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share the videos with your friends. Let's have a look at the words now. The first one is big thing, something which is really important. Memorable, something worth remembering, something that you cannot forget. Go all out, which means to put a lot of effort into something. Throw a party, it means to plan and organize a party. Milestone, it means an important stage or event of something. Adore, to really like something. Plethora, it means to have lots of or loads of. Made my day, it's actually an idiom and it means to do something special for someone. Scrumptious, extremely tasty or delicious food. Low-key celebration, it means to have a small celebration with your loved ones. Surprise party, a party that is planned secretly to surprise someone. Offspring, it's a synonym for the word children or kids. Note down these vocabulary words and memorize their meaning so that you can use these words in any of your answers related to birthdays. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.